Do you have a mirror like this with you? Yes. At least, at least you should have a mirror like this with you always, all the time with you. Hello everyone, my name is Fami and I hope all of you are doing great. Today's video is a very special video. It's only for those who are dreaming like me to speak in English without shy, without fear, without underconfidence. So in order to avoid all these things, whenever we see a strange person for the first time, we feel shy because we don't have practice by speaking in English. So let us practice whatever we know at home. Whatever vocabulary we know, whatever we have, we just make a practice first by looking into this mirror. Every day, take your own time whenever you are free. Take your time and do practice by seeing into this. Praise yourself. Give courage to yourself. Encourage yourself. For me, you are so good. You are so nice. You can do better. All the best for me. For me is my name. You can use your name. Do you feel nervous? Do you feel shy? Do you feel underconfident? Do you feel anxiety while speaking your native language? Yes or no? The answer will be no. There is no chance for the answer yes, because it is our native language. Then how can we feel nervous? How can we feel fear? How can we underconfident? How can we feel anxiety? Because each and every now and then, each and every second, each and every minute, we are speaking in our native language, we are thinking our native language, we are sleeping, drinking, everything in native language. There is no chance for that. English is an important international language these days. Without English, nothing. There are some people who can understand English, who can write English very perfectly, but they can't speak. They feel fear, they feel shy, they feel underconfident to speak in English. The main reason is that it is not our native language. For us, English is a foreign language. We don't speak each and every day. We don't think in English. We don't sleep in English. We don't drink English. We speak in our native language. Ours is Malayalam. I speak in Malayalam. So Malayalam has become very easy for us to speak each and every day. So there is no nervous, no underconfidence, no fear, no anxiety and everything. It's okay. This is one way to overcome shyness, to overcome fear, to overcome anxiety, to overcome underconfidence. How we are being underconfident. When we meet a person, we feel lack of confidence inside our mind, It's only when we have a thinking in our mind or a feeling in our mind that the second person, the person who is standing in front of us, standing or sitting in front of us, we are calculating their level. This is the second person. This is we. We are standing over here, they are here. It's just a feeling of us. We are just feeling that the second person is better than us. It is only a feeling. Try to avoid those feelings. Nobody is that perfect. Everybody is unique. Everybody is having their own speciality, their own goodness. Teach our mind by looking. The first step, teach each and everything to ourselves by looking into this. Whatever goodness, charge our mind with all the goodness by seeing this, by looking into this. Teach, practice. Okay, when we become overconfident, the second person, this is we, and this is the second person. When we are over here, we feel overconfident. That is not so good. This is good. All are equal. Everybody is having their own capacity. There are many ways. Keeping baby step. Why do we call baby step? Because it is small steps. Small step. We have to bring small changes in our life. Today we spoke one sentence. Tomorrow try to speak 2 sentences. The next day 3 sentences. In this way we can improve the level of confidence. We can destroy shy from us up to an extent, not fully, not 100%. It's impossible to remove shyness from us. Up to an extent, we can reduce it. We need willpower. We need dedication. We have to concentrate. We have to focus on our duty. Our duty is to speak in English. Think in English, drink in English, each and everything in English. Then everything will be okay. Everything will be okay when we have a willpower, when we have focus. There is an important thing that should be kept in mind always. Those who are speaking, those who are trying to speak in English, trying over and over and not reaching to a level that we have thought. We are just going to fail. Keep in mind that never ever listen to those people who are making fun of you while you are trying. Is there any use? Do you have any other duty? Let them say, because they don't have any duty, though, so they are judging you. Remember one thing, if you stay like this by saying that I am a shy person, I will be like this only. I'm not going to speak in English anymore. I will speak only after I become perfect in speaking English. There are some people like this, thinking that on a sudden day, on a morning, they are able to speak in English at least without trying for a day. Without trying at least for a day, they are willing, they are dreaming to speak flawless English. Is it possible? Never. It's the word of no sense. It's not going to happen. No need to dream to speak in English by thinking this. The loss is going to be for us only. No one cares. We have to come out of the comfort zone. Every one of us love to stay inside the comfort zone. Unless we come out of the comfort zone, nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to change. If you need a change, you must come out of the comfort zone and you work hard for it, do something for it and achieve the goal. And this is for today, and thank you very much. Coming soon with another video in the next time. Bye.